9 to 5 Google has been able to obtain an unreleased beta variant of the Samsung's One UI 5 firmware. Now, this version of the software that was shared with 9 to 5 Google wasn't officially revealed by Samsung, so some of the changes are not finalized here. But yeah, Samsung is expected to roll out the One UI 5 to all the eligible devices sometimes in October. And the first devices would be the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. If you want to know about them, you can check out the videos on this channel. Anyway, now starting with the notification center. Well, Samsung has slightly changed the way notifications are shown. So the app icons are now almost look symmetrical and they are bigger. So they're easy to spot and quite a bit easy on the eyes. And aside from that, there are very minor changes to the notification center itself. So now there is one feature that I would call just called live text. Samsung called it OCR, or optical character recognition. So this is nothing but you can copy the text from the images. So that's the thing that Apple showed and now Samsung is doing it. Well, Samsung had it with the Bixby Vision, but now they're integrating inside the Gallery app. So just you can easily do it. And not just that, Samsung is also adding the OCR to the keyboard app. That means you can also copy it from the camera directly, which is copied from Apple, but nothing bad though. This is a good feature. This comes in handy quite a bit of the times, but it's coming with One UI 5.0, so that's good. The next one is privacy. Now, Google announced its security and privacy hub when they announced the Android 13 at Google's I/O event. Now, this screenshot might make you think that it is a security and privacy hub from Google and it is just One UI skinned. Actually, no. According to Max Weinbach, Samsung has indeed added the security and privacy hub to the One UI 5.0, but it is actually a proprietary variant and works slightly differently. So it has probably more features than Google's one. That's a good thing. The next one is pop-up. Well, Samsung, instead of using their own One UI themed permission pop-ups, they're using the stock Google's one. Now, that is also a little bit colorful and all those stuff, but hey, is it a good looking one? You decide. But it can be possible that Samsung might be changing this. At this moment, that beta software didn't have that change. Maybe that is the case, or maybe Samsung didn't want to change smaller things like this, so just they wanted to keep it as stock as possible. But the next two are gestures. Well, there are going to be two gestures. Maybe will be in the lab section of the One UI 5.0. Now, these gestures will allow users to access the split screen and the pop-up view much more easily with 2 finger swipe up and swipe from the top right corner to the middle. Now, if you are using the Good Luck app, then you probably have used these features anyway. Now, aside from that, there are going to be a few changes, like the About Phone section now shows the image of the phone that you're using. So that's kind of good, like OnePlus-ish kind of thing. Samsung Notes now support collaboration up to 100 people. And you will also see some overall speed and smoothness of the animations and transition. So that's what we have heard in the past as well. And there will also be a toggle to enable and disable the ultra wideband chip. Now, looking at all these things, the One UI 5.0 might not seem a major upgrade, and it is. It's a very minor upgrade. Keep this in mind, One UI is a mature skin anyway, so it doesn't need that many changes. So this update is all about the speed and the user experience overall, not a feature-packed update. So that's kind of good, and also it's kind of bad that you're not getting any features new. Now, on the other hand, the One UI Watch will get quite a good features. Not so much, but the most notable features are the new customizable watch faces. And the next one would be Samsung's new QWERTY keyboard that will also have the swipe to type function. So it's kind of like what you can have with Gboard is what Samsung's Nitty app will bring. So that's it. Aside from that, the smartwatches will now gain dual SIM support, which is good, and few other accessibility features here and there. And that's it. So let me know, are you really excited about the One UI 5.0 update? Or you're probably like, okay, whatever, it's just a minor upgrade, I don't care. And before the outro, I have a new web series wallpaper pack for you, Web 3. It has total of 20 different extremely sharp, close to 8K resolution wallpapers custom made for desktops, tablets and smartphones to shoot your moods. And the link is in the description below for you to check out. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.